The world is progressively increasing its consumption of energy and information. However, how will they be delivered to your city, office, and home in bigger volumes than before, after they are generated? Through the existing cable infrastructure, which should be developed according to the pace of that progress. We are Geroline, a factory that produces cable infrastructure, which transmits electricity and information via fiber optic cable networks, middle voltage power cable grids, low voltage power cable grids. We offer a one-core solution, organized by the products that we create. Geroline is a direct factory with many years of experience that we are happy to share. Our products were designed to be convenient for quick application. We have introduced plenty of engineering know-how to provide you with the ultimate in confidence when choosing our solution. Geroline uses a digital manufacturing process. We insist on reinvesting in production and R&D, no less than 70% of EBITDA. That allows us to satisfy customers from more than 30 countries worldwide. We produce fiber optic cables for the construction of indoor and outdoor information networks, such as drop cables and mini ADSS cables. These are reinforced by steel and FRP strength members, aramid yarns, and glass fiber supports. Modern equipment provides precise tolerance. Routine OTDR testing guarantees 100% excellence. High-speed production lines are confidently able to accommodate a busy production schedule. To deploy fiber optic cable, we manufacture boxes and clamps using diverse technologies, such as helical wire forming, to produce steel and aluminum guide grids, which are intended for use with fiber optic cables, strand wires, and electrical power cables. Using press forming technology, we produce stainless steel, copper, and aluminum parts for cable clamps and connectors. On-site testing eliminates mistakes in quality. Process automation and high-speed equipment secure prompt production time. We quickly manufacture the electrical cable connectors, pole bandings, and drop wire clamps. Our plastic injection molding workshop uses innovative process automation. The equipment has low energy consumption and a prompt fabrication cycle. All of this increases the production speed of cable clamps, connectors, and termination boxes. Because of the scale of our factory's facility, we offer a fair price, and we are confident in the quality of our products. We make anchor and suspension clamps, fiber optic cables and distribution boxes to build indoor and outdoor fiber optic lines. For electrical power cables, we produce insulation piercing connectors and tension and suspension clamps. We produce shear head torque cable lugs on CNC machines and lathes with remarkable accuracy. Our modern high-speed CNC processing equipment provides prompt and continuously precise fabrication. Process automation eliminates human error. Routine on-site testing guarantees stable quality, which is verified via collaboration with telecom and electricity utilities and third-party laboratories. We apply European fundamental test standards when inspecting the quality of our production operations. In order to satisfy local market regulations and the standards of our customers, we offer flexible OEM and prompt R&D services to meet their requirements as fast as possible. Geroline has an on-site laboratory which performs essential tests in accordance with European quality inspection standards. For electrical power cable related products, They are mentioned in EN 50483-4, NFC 33020, and IEC 61238-1. For fiber optic cables, they are stated in IEC 60794-1-21. As a result, the long life duration of our products is guaranteed under high mechanical strength and a variety of other aggressive environmental conditions. Geroline operates according to ISO 9001-2019. We adhere to the CE packaging and marking requirements and deliver our products through common transportation channels to our customers, internet operators, power grids, and other types of B2B companies. We make the dream of comfortable living come true with fast internet and sustainable power grids. Each and every day, we are improving our products to meet the new challenges of evolving global information and energy markets. Welcome to Geroline.